In this question, you have to identify the term that refers to the association of many ribosomes with a single mRNA to form multiple copies of a polypeptide simultaneously. Option A, polysome. Now, a polysome or polyribosome refers to a complex formed by multiple ribosomes simultaneously, translating a single mRNA molecule, and this allows for the rapid production of multiple copies of the same polypeptide. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, polyhedral bodies. It is incorrect because polyhedral bodies are not related to translation process, and these structures refer to various cellular inclusions or even viral particles, but they do not describe the ribosome mRNA complexes involved in polypeptide synthesis. Option C, nucleosome. It is also incorrect because nucleosome is the fundamental unit of chromatin in the nucleus. That is, it consists of DNA wrapped around histone proteins. Option D, plastidome. It is also incorrect because plastidome refers to the genetic material and set of genes in plastids in plants.